Present perfect continuous tense uses action started in the past and still continuing, temporary or ongoing situations, recently finished action with visible result, to emphasize the activity rather than the result. Present perfect continuous tense formula and structures. Affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, negative plus interrogative sentences. Affirmative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus has have plus been plus verb ing form. Examples: I have been studying English. She has been working here since 2020. Negative sentences, formula and structures. Subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb ing form. Examples: I have not been waiting long. He has not been sleeping well. Interrogative sentences, formula, structures. Has, have, plus subject, plus been, plus verb ing form. Examples: have you been learning English? Has she been cooking? Interrogative plus negative sentences. Formula, structures. Has, have, plus subject, plus not, plus been, plus verb ing form. Examples: have you not been practicing? Has he not been listening? Time expressions commonly used in this tense. Since, point of time. Example: she has been studying English since 2020. For, period of time. She has been studying English for 3 years.